Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Peace be always with you. Welcome to Global Right Path. I am Irshad Mahmood from Toronto, Canada. Topic is Solution to Global Refugees Crisis. Global refugees crisis is rising around the globe. People are suffering badly all around the world due to national disasters as well as man-made disasters. Dirty global politics. One of main reasons for man-made global refugee crisis is due to total failure of global system. Perhaps till now it could be that like tip of an iceberg what we have seen yet, and rest could be about to come sooner if not later. Since the world didn't took true guidance from the Quran to stabilize the global world to save humanity. There are two types of refugees, one due to extreme global poverty and other due to unjust killing of humanity. War is not an option while love is, but when powerful nations wage unjust wars against weak nations, refugees crisis rises enormously. When world is already facing extreme poverty and is up to the neck, then refugees crisis on top of it becomes up to the nose, and humanity is hardly breathing and is about to die if not taking immediate action to save them. They might not be able to save unless taking guidance from the Quran, since all other systems are totally failed to save humanity except the Quranic way. Let's try Quranic way to save humanity with 100% guarantee. Allah has given organs to all humans without any discrimination. Remember, refugees who are able to reach neighboring countries could be less than 1%, while more than 99% might have lost all hopes and are dead or about to die. Humanity dies because of terrorism. Humanity also dies because of total failure of global system, which is much worse than terrorism and is greater crime against humanity. Global human rights activities must stand up and join together before it gets too late to save humanity without any discrimination of religion, race, color, gender, language, or nationality. No changes without right actions. Refugees are also on the rise due to extreme global poverty around the globe. One of the reasons of extreme global poverty is due to the difference between rich and poor are increasing enormously because of great instability in our global system. People are suffering badly all around the world, including Thailand, Greece, many of African and South Asian countries, and even in United States of America, with no exception to Muslim countries. Perhaps till now, it could be like tip of an iceberg, what we have seen yet, and rest could be about to come sooner or if not later. Since the world didn't took the guidance from the Quran to stabilize the global world to save humanity. Although world has enough to feed but not greed, but few of major issues which had increased the global poverty and unbalanced global system are interest-based system, alcohol, gambling, supply and demand system, and raising in salary by small partnerships on which a special deep study is needed. It is not the wealth, gold, or silver, or power which could save people from global poverty. Allah sees Qarun, Piron, Haman, and many more for their crime against humanity, and nothing could save them, including their wealth, power, or people. However, world didn't end there, but even without their wealth, power, it had redeveloped. Perhaps those who never faced real poverty for many years may never understand its solution unless they have really took guidance from the Quran. It is 100% guaranteed to save the world globally if we truly apply guidance from the Quran. Global system must be balanced to overcome the global poverty in the light of Quran. It must follow the basic needs. It must follow the basic rules. Tax the greedy, not the needy. Tax on saving, not on spending, without wasting or overspending. It must ensure that people are not thrown out from their homes. Education must be provided to all with internationally recognized high standards or reduced rate, if not for free, which must have good parent-teacher relation. Burden of debt should not be put on students for their studies, including professional studies, so that they can concentrate more on their studies, to acquire more knowledge, to help the society that than worrying on how to pay the debt. Earning must be balanced for each skill sets people may have so that they don't rush to only few skill sets. A special encouragement must be given to those who sincerely and devotedly work hard to help the system in a balanced way. Many times, top management neglects those who are foundation of their team and who are working at lower ranks, and due to ignorance, their morals are down, which might affect productivity. It take if take care of your employees, they will they will sure take care of the clients. If one region is rich in minerals, then other could be rich in oil, gas, foods, or even manpower, etc. Global system must be balanced by sharing all the resources in a balanced way. Otherwise, more and more disaster may come in the shape of poverty, and innocent people may not have any choice other than come to street poverty, since they cannot see their infants crying for milk, food, or other basic needs. Avoid loans, avoid waste, and stop greediness as much as possible, keeping in mind how much is too much to help stabilize global world. It is time now to open our eyes and correct ourselves to serve humanity in the light of Quran, since Quran gives the true guidance to fix the global system to save humanity in a balanced way. Allah never destroys any good nation. Do not turn out people from their homes. Saving a life is like saving whole world. There is no compulsion in religion, faith. We all need to help as much as we can to build global world for the better future of our kids. Only then we can hope that our kids will have fruits of it and will pray for us. Educate yourself, including your kids, and keep your knowledge up to date according to modern time as much as possible without wasting a minute. If you have good knowledge, you must teach others or share with others for free if possible. Think of old time 10 organization which 1000 of employees working in each organization. Then came industrialization and heavy machinery, and robots took place of humans. Naturally, many of the workers got laid off and are off the job. Initially, these businesses thought that they will save lots of money by laying off those workers, but did not realize that those were also customers of other industries as well. But due to layoff, they don't have enough money now to buy. So in reality, those businesses lost their customers as well by laying off their employees. This is just a simple example to start understanding the consequences, which could be much better if we think about saving a community. Yes, industrialization and robotics are very good, but we need to start thinking differently to save humanity, to build whole new world. There could be many projects we can collectively initiate at global level to provide those laid off workers. Remember, layoff means more poverty and more crime, unless employer must have been provided to lay off to those layoff people guaranteed alternate option for their survival. Services cut down at hospitals means danger to health. Services cut down at fire station or police station, our life security is in more danger. People do not have any plant tree which grows money, since money does not grow in any plant or tree. Money is not any concern for global recovery, but it is global system which needs to be fixed. It is not the wealth, gold or silver or power which could save global world from globalization. Allah sees Qarun, Firaun, Haman, and many more for their crime against humanity, and nothing could save them, including their wealth, power, or people. World didn't end there, but even without their wealth and power, it had redeveloped. I invite you all to join this noble mission, and I invite o- others to join it to save humanity without any discrimination of religion, race, color, gender, language, and nationality. A single machine may replace thousands of humans, but not a single human can ever replace a single machine. Thinking locally while living in global world will not save our global world. Repeatedly relying on same corrupt or incompetent person will not change the fortune of the nation or global world. Do not even think to try to reappoint those who have failed to protect corruption in the land. Solution to global downsizing shutdown is in link I will provide here also. Global downsizing shutdown lockdown. It will be great global charity to save global humanity, and Allah will give great reward, inshallah. Locally, I'm sorry. Globally, yes, we can recover global world with 100% guaranteed upon full support from all global people and all global government, inshallah, by God willing. Neither I am a singer nor a poet, rather an activist for a whole new world. No one can fix it alone, the world alone. Together we will achieve our heavenly goal. No closed door meetings, no hidden secret agendas. World has enough to feed, but not greed. Thank you.